Hello everyone, Namaste, and I'm very happy to introduce Sanjay and Shamsha. Sanjay, who I call Baba, I know him for almost 4 5 years. Basically, we got connected through our online sessions practicing with Vikas sir, and I got inspired with his practice and I started connecting with him. And he's little shy, but he shows he's shy, but he's actually not. And then we have Shamsha, Fast and Furious. I became friends with her recently, and I'm super excited to start my Kshetra Talks with both beautiful persons, teachers, student, practitioners, and yogapreneurs now. And also a good host. They took care of me so well in Gujarat. I say they are super powerhouse of Gujarat. So let's start without wasting time. This conversation is more about their journey, their path in the yoga, how it's going to help us or people who are going to enter into this path, the sustainability, the growth, the challenges, what a practitioner or a student or a teacher or a yogapreneur or entrepreneur is going to face in this journey. I know they both themselves are also learning and enjoying the path, but what kept them motivated to be in this path for such a long years? If you see, Sanjay is here for more than 10 plus years as a practitioner, teacher, and students, and now as an entrepreneur. And this is his shala, the beautiful shala where I'm taking this interview today. Or the conversation, not an interview, I'm sorry, the conversation. And Samsha, she has experience for 20 plus years. Does she look like one? Does she look like one? No. Yes. Hi Shamsha and Sanjay, thank you so much
Thank
for
you first.
accepting.
Thank you so much,
हमको
Samshi,
हमको बलि का
for
बकरा बनाने के लिए
inviting us
Not a Balika
for
Bakra
the
for
first
sure.
talk.
Yeah. Yes, it's my dream. I use as a child. I used to get dreams. I used to do conversations and everything. But pata nahi tha where it is going to start. I was a model. I was a hotelier, but never did this conversation. But yoga made me so light and calm. It's coming out like blowing out from inside. So that's how I think this is the first thing. And why not this conversation be live in the location? So that's why I took this opportunity of Gujarat where we are going to meet and do this. So the conversation flow would be, we'll be having 5 questions. You can answer any of the questions which you want, and then we'll have a quick rapid fire questions. I'll ask both of you and you can do it. So let's start without wasting much of time. So how did you enter your yoga life? What did, like, it was from the childhood, from that time you're doing this, or suddenly you went into a practice shala or something, then your mind changed, oh, this is for me, kind of a scenario? Yes, Sanjay or Shamsha, anyone or both of you.
Like from childhood, we used to practice like in because in the school or especially I was a RSS student, so in RSS we used to do different poses of yoga. That time not much aware about the yoga. We used to think like game
Game.
only. So we used to play the game
Nice, nice.
only. And later I started doing my fitness journey in the gym or something. So I was regular gym goer, and one of my brothers teacher asked me to one day try to do yoga, and he pushed me. Then brother also pushed me to do the TTC, teacher training
Training.
course. So
Nice.
1 month I did regular classes,
Classes.
and then I did a TTC.
Oh.
After TTC, just was thinking like just I'm doing for fun only. It was not to become a teacher. It
Teacher.
was just for fun and learning, and gradually it fall in my life and continuously practicing. Yeah.
So which year you started? You remember the year?
2015, I did my first certification course.
And from
Yoga
there, no
instructor.
looking back.
From there, I'm doing almost 10, 11 years.
Awesome. What about you, Shamsha?
I am a practitioner since I was pregnant. So back in 2003, say I've been practicing yoga on and off. And then I think from 2015, I'm very much on the mat. 2011, 10, 11, say I've been completely on the mat, regularly on the mat every single day. And then somehow I had this lot of pain in the body because of sciatica and all that. That was the reason yoga helped me a lot in that as well. And earlier, I never ever thought that I'll ever be a teacher. But due to some reasons of issues of
Issues.
money in the house, as honest as I am, उसके वजह से
Yes,
yoga
absolutely.
का मुझे I thought that there is one talent which I have. Why not convert it into a profession?
Profession.
And everybody, as a practitioner, I was not that serious तब. And everybody would tell me कि like तो जो करवाती है ना वो बहुत अच्छा करवाती है, you know, तू जो समझाती है वो हमको समझ में आता है. It's like I really don't know how to make you do it. I know how to do myself. But सामने करवाना मुझे नहीं समझता. Then in 2018 I did my first teachers training course with Jeevan Kaka from the Patanjali का आता है एक सहयोग शिक्षक करके. There is one small very small course, but that fellow still I remember him because at the age of 90 he passed away recently. But such a blessing he was in my life, and because of that small certificate course I really got that confidence that okay, let me do something. I started with a very good boom that wow, you know, start हो रहा है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है, let me keep free classes. 15 days I kept free classes. The moment I kept that चलो अब हम fees लेंगे, 800 rupees was my think that okay ठीक है ये 800 is a fixed price for me. I deserve this much. Nobody came after 15 days. Free में सब आए, जैसे ही पैसा रखा nobody came. And then there was one student, Hasina. In June, I started with her 2018 में, and from that day onwards, nothing looking back. वो ज़माने में 1000 रुपये का मैं 220 क्लासेस करवाती थी, और वो 1000 रुपये भी मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ले रही हूँ उससे, you know. And then slowly she told me it's okay, you know, you can put my videos on the Instagram और तब तो WhatsApp और वो सब भी था, and little bit video यहाँ वहाँ Facebook पे डालो. And वो देख के I got few groups, and then slowly, you know, and still she is associated with me. So I'm very much glad that where earlier I was suffering from health issues, like during my pregnancy I was not keeping well, वहाँ से yoga helped me. Till today my health is okay only because that yoga has always been with me. भले ही कोई हो नहीं हो, but yoga हमेशा मेरे साथ में रहा है.
Pregnancy, the daughter has become now young.
Yeah, my daughter is now 22.
Yeah, so she's if I can say, she's a single mother and taking care of everything, and she has lots of energy. I'm telling you, last 2 days I was with her. Maybe I am going low, but her energies are high means high. As she talks faster, you heard how she sometimes the words go off my head. Her energy, that's why I call her fast and furious. That's right. Okay, that's nice. Good to know. Okay, the second thing, what has yoga taught you beyond the physical practice? Anyone can answer. It's not for all questions, or yeah, you can choose. Apart from, like, not only you're physically affected, what beyond the physical practice?
It actually helped me to connect with the people. Earlier, I am, as you told me, because I am shy a little. So initial stages of my TTC, I was like, I do fun lot of, but I don't have much confidence of talking with the people, like how I should talk, how I should start with the talking with them. So, like by coming in this field or just coming in this practice of yoga, I started connecting with the people a lot, and that taught me to how I should be connected with the people. Because earlier, more than the practice, I used to enjoy this only. The community of yoga, I used to enjoy a lot. So it was not practicing for fun, it was for me. But more than the practice, I used to connect with the people. That community we build up, the people still are connected with me. So whenever I talk with them, I feel good. So like I feel that yoga made the different family for me. Like apart from the home, you have other. Now I can say in different cities, I have a lot of people,
different families
with
and
whom I love. They love me. It like that.
awesome.
So this is one of that things I feel, which is very good things in yoga.
Yeah.
The community.
So basically, he says physically, apart from what I mean physically, practice is helping. That is what we need off the mat. Also, how you handle yourself off the mat. That's the openness he found in yoga by practicing. If I'm right, that is what he meant to say. He started connecting with people and the shyness. Even me, I'm shy. I never thought I'll do this, but आई थिंक इट्स योगा डेफिनेटली बोलते हैं योगा से होगा प्रैक्टिस के बारे में नहीं मालूम वो कंसिस्टेंसी चाहिए बट ये सब कुछ छोटी छोटी चीज़ें व्हाट वी सी ओपनिंग अप वी डोंट रियलाइज इट इज़ हैपनिंग बट इट्स एक्चुअली हैपनिंग दैट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़ ग्रेट लेट्स डू what keeps you inspired to continue practice in teaching
Oh, I love teaching. I'm very passionate about teaching.
but there is a situation some days you don't feel
No,
like
I've never ever
maybe
felt
the
it.
question might be wrong for you because I just told she's a
Yeah, I mean, I hear a lot of my
Yeah.
students आज class नहीं, a lot of my friends who tell me
Yeah.
यार आज मन नहीं कर रहा है, आज class नहीं करना है, this and that. ऐसी reels बनती है, that okay, I have to rest today, but I realized I'm a yoga teacher. I can never think of a day. अगर एक class भी cancel होता है, I feel really very very upset कि मेरा class गया है आज. In fact, अगर आई लव टीचिंग मतलब मैंने 10-10 क्लासेस भी 12-12 क्लासेस भी दिन की करवाई है तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैं अभी बहुत कम काम कर रही हूँ आई जस्ट फील दैट तो पीपल टेल मी यार व्हाई आर यू टेकिंग सो मच स्ट्रेन व्हाई आर यू टेकिंग सो मेनी क्लासेस इट्स जस्ट आई लव टीचिंग इट्स नॉट अबाउट मनी इज secondary but the amount of blessings that you get the amount of happiness that you are able to put up in and मुझे लग रहा है कि हम कुछ नहीं है ऊपर वाला ही करवा रहा है हमको ये सारा कुछ मुझे लगता है कि काम तो करना है और क्लास नहीं अटेंड हो रहा है तो मुझे अफसोस हो रहा है कि मेरा क्लास जा रहा है आई गेस इवन बिकॉज माई सर विकास सर ऑल्सो आई थिंक ही मस्ट बी द सेम पर्सन कि उनका क्लास अगर मिस हो रहा हो तो इवन ही विल फील अपसेट कि मेरा क्लास क्यों मिस हो रहा है आई एम द सेम मुझे अपना क्लास मिस करना नहीं अच्छा लगता है
so that's what I keep saying to other people also like how you brush your teeth every day you should brush your other parts of your body also I think same thing she mean to say she's brushing her teaching every day she's enhancing every day by teaching different every day is not the same if I need to put add on things to her
you do feel tired at the end of the day but next day again you get that
you'll
energy
come back to that energy yes
I think because I think इसीलिए तो हम योगा करवा रहे हैं otherwise like people who are in corporate they might not be so happy with their job I'm so sorry but I'm in a job which I'm very lucky
what you love
जो मुझे अच्छा लगता है वो मैं कर पा रही हूँ
yeah everyone doesn't get that opportunity and take that risk to come out of that monthly salary earnings and 100%. do this thing okay Baba what has changed the most in your practice over the years
Practice.
what
Apart
have
from the
changed
asana or in asana?
You can say both what have changed the most in your practice over the years
In the asana, I can say asanas has changed. The way I can flow or move my body, I never thought about it.
yeah
Because now I feel I am flying in postures.
yes
So,
we know that
so it came because in my first TTC there was a lot of photos of the Guruji was there in the shala and he was doing Vrshikasana and all. So my dream was कि okay I'll do this
yeah
or
will I able to do or not yeah questions
so that came naturally through my practice. Apart from the asanas practice, I feel it the person I'm becoming nowadays a gradual it every time keep on changing because you learn and it more I feel more I connect with the more people different people I learn from them not only just teaching yoga teaching it part of it apart from the teaching yoga I'll learn from the people how they live how they think about it right so I'm sharing my things to them and how their way of looking to the things so I learn from them like their way of thinking is different my way of thinking is the different so like these things I developed from them or now I the way I look to the things the way of positive thinking it comes to me it's just natural now because reading for me it was difficult because from my schooling I was not like guy studious so I used to skip the study and all so now I look to the people how they are reading and like becoming sharper more so I learned from them and I started implementing the things in me.
Yeah.
So that helps me.
Great. Okay. Last question. What advice would you give someone beginning their yoga journey today? Both of you can give a simple one sentence
Just
or one word.
practice.
But
Just
for people to get into the practice also, like a beginner, a beginning who wants to start, but they're still, you know, what?
I say connect with
yoga
the right
teachers.
people,
Yeah,
connect with the right teacher, and just surrender.
yeah.
If you not connect with the right teacher, then the surrendering also will not good, because sometimes you surrender but you don't
Find the teacher.
find that teacher, and that things cannot improve it. So need to find the right teacher and just surrender. Keep the faith in the practice. Don't think about you are not growing in the asanas. Asana gradually come. Just build the discipline of
Discipline.
going
Yes.
every day.
And I'll add a little more to this, that कभी कभी ऐसा होता है that you think that you find a teacher, the teacher finds you.
Finds you.
It's
Yes,
as simple
absolutely.
as that, because
I
I have
agree.
been in search of a lot of teachers. I thought I've learned from a lot of teachers. Very, very thankful, very grateful to a lot of. But then you have to stick to one particular person. Just have to get connected with that person, even if you're not practicing with that teacher anymore. But the amount of energy that you gain from that one particular teacher, लाइक वो आपका पावर हाउस है. कभी भी अगर आपका खत्म हो जाता है तो यू नो, जैसे अगर आपका गाड़ी रिजर्व में, गो एंड गेट चार्ज फ्रॉम दैट टीचर जस्ट बाय वन कॉल एंड वन हेलो. एंड समटाइम्स द टीचर ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड्स यू that okay, let me just go and call that person, and suddenly I will tell, okay, I was just thinking about you, sir, and you called me up.
Yeah.
So a lot of time it happens like that. So you need to find a good teacher, definitely, but the teacher also should be able to find a good student in you.
Yeah.
And that teacher तो ही वो chemistry वो exchange होगा, वरना वो नहीं होने वाला है.
Yeah, so
Simple as
most of them don't get motivation and everything. So
Huh.
the teacher also makes that, you know.
Yeah.
But at the same time, it's your inner thing also. Like, you know, if you don't show that commitment or that feel or vibes to the other person, you'll not find it.
Right.
So
Initially,
it's
मतलब-
actually patience. You need
Yeah.
to hold and as
Initially
Sanjay
नहीं
said,
आएगा.
yeah.
स्टार्टिंग के तो हम लोग अभी इतना एक्सपीरियंस हो गया, we're learning with the teachers in so many years. But जो young teachers है या young
rushing
practitioners
mind.
जो है, they have to stick with one teacher for at least minimum 3 months to 1 year. वो लोग
Then only you know the lift, yeah.
यहाँ पे 1 month, यहाँ पे they're just hopping. It's not cafe hopping.
Yeah.
They have to stick to one
like
teacher,
nowadays
one
changing
style.
food, like you know,
हाँ.
Chinese में shift हो जाएंगे,
Exactly,
Indian में
Hatha में
shift
shift
हो
हो
जाएंगे,
Ashtanga में
Chinese में
shift
shift
हो
हो
जाएंगे.
जाएंगे.
Very
Yeah.
quickly,
Like how
scrolling
your
the
Ashtanga
reel,
is.
Yeah, so you need
scrolling
to
the practices.
Literally, क्योंकि वो patience अभी हमारा खत्म हो गया है,
खत्म हो
right?
गया. Yes. Awesome guys. So here we complete our 5 question and answers round. But in case in future, if you have any kind of questions that you want us to ask, which I'm not able to cover in the conversation, please do share a comment on the post. I'll be happy to ask the next teacher those questions, because for me also it's a learning, entering into new thing, and ensure whoever coming into this path can stay. This path is very tricky and everything, but if you're there and work, it's lots of enjoyment. We can't express with words, you know, you can only feel it when you come. Agree? That's the thing. Only thing, when you wear a dress, you feel it, you know, it's the same thing over here also. Now we have a quick rapid fire questions for both of them. I've done it 10, but again, in case if we need to change in future, we will do that. Okay, so whoever answers the first.
बीच में रखना पड़ेगा.
Morning or evening practice?
Morning practice.
Awesome. Self practice or guided?
Both.
Initial guided.
Guided, okay. Tea or a coffee person?
Tea.
Coffee.
Awesome. Any one favorite asana?
मेरा
Vrishikasana.
pincha.
Pincha, Vrishikasana.
Similar.
Awesome. Discipline or motivation?
Discipline.
Both.
First is discipline,
First is
motivation,
discipline,
and
motivation
follow.
अपने आप आ जाता है.
Awesome. One word for yoga.
Oh, it's life.
योगा से होगा.
That's 3 words.
Awesome. One habit you never skip.
Oh, my meditation. Never ever.
Map, pranayama and meditation.
Maps.
Sadhana. Basically, they're saying
Sadhana.
they self sadhana. That is what they're saying. Okay. Sanjay, one word for Shamsha.
Shamsha is like
One word.
टाइम भी नहीं है.
loving, caring, supporting,
Loving,
inspiring.
caring and supporting, inspiring. बहुत सारे words आ गए. बहुत
One
सारे
word is very less for us.
yeah, maybe, yeah, because 10 years, 20 years of experience, you see
Because
so much
from
different.
Shamsha I have 5 years. Now it has been 5 years. I'm
5
connecting.
years,
Yeah.
yeah.
So I can say more than my sister. I'm connecting with her more.
100%.
More. Oh, awesome, great. Shamsha, one word for Sanjay.
Same thing. He's my brother only. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रही कि मेरे भाई जैसा है. He is
Yeah.
my brother. So I think he's the most loving person that I've ever seen. And इसका practice जितना ज़्यादा अच्छा है उससे कहीं ज़्यादा he's a very good
Good
human
human
being.
being.
That is what I've seen.
Absolutely, I agree with it. Like the way he flows in the air.
Yeah.
He is a person like that who flows,
Yeah.
you know.
But they both are in the same zone. That's why we are connected.
Yeah, maybe. Sure, let's do. Closing the session. Thank you so much coming on to these conversations, and we'll be happy to share more such real stories, real journeys, real path in this path. Okay, and I'll be happy if you can comment and share anything that we missed and you want us to know. What are the challenges you are facing? And please do share in the comments, and we'll be happy.
By
And
the
one.
way, who's coming next हमारे बाद?
I don't know. This is just a beginning. Now I want to be frank. Also, Insta gave me a shock, so I need to work on that. I should do live sessions, or I need to travel and do the interviews like this, or something. I'll do. Insta says that if you have 1,000 followers, then only you can do the Insta live. So please keep following. I'll
Keep
post
following.
it.
Yeah,
Then
I
we'll
will
increase.
followers.
So
Then
she
the
can
live
that
sessions can be
live-
more. We know it. In our stage, when we started yoga, we never had any guided kind of a thing.
Right.
It was very challenging. We used to do TTCs and we have left. Now it is a different path. I have another story also, but I'll not say now. I'll not take the name of that person, but definitely the person, what he's doing wonders to the teachers who are joining. He's just building this industry into another level. That episode will come soon.
Yeah.
But later, maybe by year end or in October or something, I don't know. Let's see that. Before closing, I have one last thing to ask. One message you would like to leave for audience.
practice yoga. Have faith and practice yoga.
Yoga doesn't need you. You need yoga.
Yoga. Yes. And thank you so much. We are closing with this, and we love you so much. A beautiful heart.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Santoshi, for calling us. हमारे पे
Yes, and
experiment करने के
thank you
लिए.
so much. Not an experiment, this is. I didn't know that Insta will give this, but yeah. But I'll be careful. This is
For us
also
also
learning
it
for
is
me.
new, na?
Yes.
But I guess that
I don't know how I was sitting. I was this posture, that posture. All my neck was straight
But
up.
again, there is one
But
small
it is
message that I want to give that Sanjay और मैं we have worked very much. बहुत grass level पे हमने काम किया है. So from zero to hero,
Yeah.
we have become. There are a lot of teachers, a lot of people who are behind us. But there were stages in our life before our teachers when we have struggled a lot. हमने बहुत
Yeah,
struggle
absolutely.
किया.
We also
Right
struggle.
now we are doing such programs where he's teaching teachers, I am teaching teachers separately. Where we're doing a hand holding program. कि TTC के बाद आप क्या करोगे? बहुत बार
Yes.
ऐसा था कि TTC के बाद there are now TTCs available जो बहुत बढ़िया हो रही है जिसमें आपको एकदम ready करके रखा जाता है.
Yeah,
But कुछ
that
लोग
is what. That
जो
is the
ठीक जगह से-
episode.
हाँ, जो
Yeah.
लोग अच्छी जगह से TTC नहीं कर रहे हैं, सस्ती वाली TTC कर रहे हो, जिसमें आपको completely नहीं करवाया जाता है, वो टीचर्स को हम लोग इनवाइट कर रहे हैं कि आप आओ, practice with us, you will understand कि भाई हम लोग कैसे not just teachers but as an entrepreneur, as students आपको कैसे prepare करें.
Prepare kare. Yeah, absolutely.
Because I know that recently, because in my TTC, I did my TTC and I used to do first free classes and then very less paying I was taking the classes. But now I see many of the teachers, they quick want after they do TTC, they want
Yes.
like high paying
Students.
So it is like you have to explore it.
Yeah,
right?
and
You
it is
learn,
not
you
just
explore with them.
exploring.
That's why.
Yeah, you need to explore on yourself also. If you don't explore your practice, you can't demand that much in the market. You need to understand.
Because being as a yoga teachers, we need to build up this community. People should not think about that yoga should be free.
free. Yeah,
it should
absolutely.
be paid.
Health can't be free. If you go for a consultation, 1,500 for 1 hour only. Next time it is not valid.
definitely.
Here it is only per day 250 rupees or 350 rupees the highest.
Definitely.
Nothing much. Yes.
250, 350 they can spend anywhere.
Anyway, yeah, you're less than a burger actually, you know. Tax के साथ देखे तो इधर tax भी नहीं है.
And your health is the best investment,
Best
which
investment.
is, I think it's more important.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you again in the next episode. Be happy, safe, and healthy. Bye.